track ready for the race against South Carolina? The 37's Peter Earl is getting some work done on his truck over at Chris Livak's shop.
I drive the Chase and Paper truck. Last week, I won my first race.
Really?
But I'm racing on a budget, so anytime paper has a problem, I've got a problem.
Oh, man. Yeah, man, I'll tell you, when I loaded it on the trailer earlier, I noticed she's leaking a little more and marking her territory, it seems to be, man. I don't know what's going on.
Every time I look at this thing, I see more and more stuff, and it just gives me more respect for you as a driver. I'm like, what the hell? How do you drive this thing?
I don't know if that's a compliment or not, but I'll take it.
These trucks kind of held together with whatever he could find, duct tape, zip ties. It's kind of a piece of crap, really, you know, but it's his piece of crap. He loves it.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Yeah, I'd say you got a little leak.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is cool, too. Think it just wasn't seating right there?
I don't think so. It's got to be hooked to something.
I think I may have broken one of my zip ties, and
It pulled down on the thermostat housing neck.
either caused it to warp or it cracked it.